Hey, Steph! Man the light! I need fucking light!
Yeah, we need.
Hold on. Let her get the light. Because I can't see shit without fucking light. And this night vision bullshit on this camera. Let that play! Let that song play!
Dude, I have the whole CD.
Hey!
Hey!
Back, motherfucker!
No! Alright, go ahead.
Go!
Holy crap. It's not splashing on any of us, is it?
That's like crude oil, dude.
Oh, it is. It's called.
This looks like fucking coffee.
This is 15,000 miles without a change oil.
And then people
We need more light. Yep, there we go.
People wonder why I put cream in my fucking coffee so it don't look like this
Holy
shit every morning.
man.
Wait, let's tip it. Get it in the creases.
Yeah. Holy shit. This is awesome.
You're nowhere allowed near this.
This is so gonna go up like woo.
Alright, let's get
It's soaked in. Alright, fellas.
Wait, you need to give it a minute.
No, we're putting it on.
Yeah.
I want to play.
Light.
We're gonna flip it, okay?
Flip it.
Use your left hand and flip it over. So, right here.
Come on.
1, 2.
Fucking A!
Yeah.
Back up, baby.
That thing is so gonna go up.
Back the fuck up.
Hey, Jer. I don't know which one was yours. Here. I'll take the fuller one. No, give me that.
Damn it.
Here, go ahead, man. You're skinnier than I am, I think.
You say I know it's mine because I tore them.
Wait, I should not have videotaped that. Don't worry, I won't play it in front of Mike this time.
Yeah.
That fucking douchebag. Whoop, got you anyway. Hey, Jimmy.
Oh, look at that shit.
Oh.
I'm glad you.
Don't come
What?
on us.
Holy shit.
Dude, look at that shit, folks.
God damn. Wait, what am I trying to get closer for? That's what Zoom is all about.
Right.
Holy shit, look at that, dude. Look at what it looks like on camera.
Wow. That'd be a badass screensaver, dude.
Look at that fucking crazy shit.
Yeah, that's fucking awesome.
Watch when I get real close. That's nuts.
Fucked up shit.
Dude, back up and get like a whole thing of it.
Oh, I am. Holy shit, it's making me sweat. Woo!
I
Wow.
am so gonna have to clean this stuff.
Did you say you have to take a shit?
No, I'm gonna have to clean the shoes.
Oh. Well, I'm glad you're cleaning your shoes and not shit. Do you know it is fucking snowing out here? Look at that.
Stoke that shit up.
Stoke it. Give me some sparks. There we go. He's cranking on it.
What I do, motherfucker.
You should have seen when it first started, Dre. It was snowing out here.
It was. We had all sorts of sparks and going up and down.
He doesn't even realize it. What up, Brian? Brian hasn't been out here for a minute, man. It's good to see him again.
Definitely.
He's got the look at the spiky hair and everything, dude. These two are all like, hey, you know how much gel it took me to look like this?
Pretty much.
Oh no, I was trying to take a picture. That could have been your MySpace image. You know how cool that would have been? What?
So I just had a glance over at him at that exact moment.
I know, man.
Very pasty.
Look at all these people. This isn't very many people, though. Hi, Stephanie. I think I'm fucking vibrating again. Somebody take this camera from me.
I want the phone. I want the phone. I want the
Hold
phone.
on, no, this is Jack.
Okay. What up, Jack? Hey, what's going on? Peace.
Now that's sexy right there. How you doing?
Ow, my finger.
Ah, that was classic. That was great. And she's down for the count. she's trying to flip you off and it's not working.
Ow!
You're all wet. That's what you get for playing in the grass.
I think there's a good chance you
My guy Jimbo.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, do that shit. You're supposed to take like river dance and shit.
He knows some river dancing.
I don't have a repeat button. You just have to go back.
Where's the off button on this thing?
What?
Where's the off button?
It's this one over here. And then the red square one.